Have you ever pondered the role of sugar in our diets? It's a substance we consume daily, often without a second thought, but its impact on our bodies is far-reaching and complex. Sugar, in its scientific form known as sucrose, is a simple carbohydrate. This sweet-tasting substance is a combination of glucose and fructose molecules. It's a natural component of many foods, particularly plants, where it plays a crucial role as an energy source. The energy we derive from sugar is quick and efficient. When we consume sugar, it undergoes a metabolic transformation, breaking down into glucose. This glucose is then readily consumed by our cells for ATP, or adenosine triphosphate production. You can think of ATP as the currency of energy in our bodies. But the role of sugar doesn't stop at providing energy. It's also essential for our brain function. Our brains rely heavily on glucose as an energy source, with a steady supply necessary for cognitive processes, concentration, and overall neurological health. Sugar also plays a central role in cellular respiration. This process, where cells extract energy from glucose molecules, is fundamental for the functioning of various cellular activities. These include growth, repair, and maintenance. The body also employs a careful balance to regulate blood sugar levels, ensuring a stable supply of energy. Consuming sugars in moderation aids in maintaining this balance. Insulin, a hormone released in response to sugar intake, facilitates the uptake of glucose by cells, preventing an overload of sugar in the bloodstream. Natural sugars found in fruits come packaged with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. The combination of these elements provides not only energy, but also essential nutrients for overall health. The fructose in fruits, when consumed in its natural form, is part of a balanced and nutritious diet. Additionally, sugar consumption can trigger the release of endorphins, the body's feel-good hormones. This pleasure response can influence our eating habits and contribute to the enjoyment of food. From an evolutionary standpoint, humans have evolved to seek out sweet-tasting foods, as they often indicate a high energy content. This preference for sweetness has cultural roots and has shaped dietary habits across different societies. So while sugar has been stigmatized in recent years, it's important to remember its essential role in our diets. It provides us with energy, supports our brain function, aids in cellular respiration, and even contributes to our sense of pleasure and enjoyment. But like many good things, we began to abuse it. Take not in moderation, but in excess. Unfortunately, this is a common problem for the human race. So in the next video, let's talk about some recent scientific research on sugar, so that we can decide how to behave in relation to sugar. After all, if we know something, we have been warned about it. Knowing is the key to understand sugar, respect its role, and make informed choices about our intake.